Do 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 do. TikTok or skits.
Bird. Bullets with you and birds!
Yo, dude, I have the funniest prank ever, bro. Okay, let us see it. Right. Cock-a-doodle-doo, you filthy animals. It's Reggie the Rooster here, and it's time to rise and shine. Wait, why do you have an AK first? Anyways, guys, I'm bored. What do you want to do? Let's make a time machine! Yeah! But first, you need a montage. You need a montage! Montage! You need a montage! You need a montage! Alright, we did it. Tony, are you okay? Oh, you were different for a second. Just get in already. Okay. Like I said. Worked! Our time machine! Bird. Hello, and welcome to the Bird Square thing. My name is King Birdicus the 14th, and this is the Bird Square thingy. You said that already. Anyways, what brings you here? Well, we want to go back home to the Kino dimension. Ah. Well, too bad. I'm just gonna kidnap you now. Wait, what? Nicholas? Caged. Yes, that was from Penguins of Madagascar. Anyway, no, reverse card. Wait, what the? I can't believe I'm about to say this. Thanks, Russia. You're welcome. Wait, can you send us back home with your powers or something? I'm sure I can. Watch. There we go. Let's just go back. Yeah, that's a great idea. Let's do it. Where are we now? Hey, ma'am, can you tell us where we are right now? 2 hours later. Latvia, what did she say? I think she said hi. Or something. I don't really know. My Egyptian is really bad right now. That's how long it takes to say hi! How do you say, your mom's fat? I guess that. Come on, guys, let's go. I'm so sick and tired of the. What? Okay, so where were... What's this now? It's not the same without getting Jenny. Look, I found a replacement for whatever this thing is. Oh, cool! Wait, we were just here a second ago. Lithuania, I am so confused right. Hi there, do you want some country human stuff? Why does no one love me? Where are we now? Lithuania, I think we're back in present day. Yes! Thank you, jeez! Oh my god! Oh, thank God it was a dream. Yeah, this video sucked. I'm sorry. But to make up for it, I'm gonna give you the extras to my Flagmania band thing. Here you go, I guess.